Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm trying different AI models in the computer vision area, and one of the famous one is the GANs. So lastly we tried GFP GAN, which is related to the face restoration, and it was basically just restoring, deblurring the faces, as like in this image we tried in a previous video, and I just give a trial and made some examples, and we just checked how it looks like. And in this video I want to try a different GAN, which is StyleGAN. So there's already a beautiful repository in GitHub. I want to try this repository in this video. This is basically just focused on the aging. For example, you are giving a face image, then it's just giving you the results. For example, from 10 years old to the 80 years old, there are different kind of age. For example, the face look is gonna, it doesn't matter right away. You can give a young face, you can give old face. It's just gonna extract, it's just gonna give you the output at the end. For example, from 10 to the 8th age, how that face looks like. So this is very beautiful, and this is not also, this StyleGAN is not only focused on the aging. There are different kind of purposes, different kind of implementations, but for this video we are gonna give it a trial in this video. So these guns are really beautiful things, and it's good to try, it's good to get an idea how these are looks like. So yeah, in this video I want to try this. Basically there is two collab in example for this. The second one related to a video, you are giving a video and it's just accordingly is converting to another video. But the simple one is just you are giving an image and it's just giving you the output as like in here. So we are gonna give it a try here. I'm using this example already. I copied to earn time. Also I gave already some trials, and basically it's just getting the model, it's just getting the image, and also after that the important part is just aligning the image, because you see here all the faces are just frontal face. If you are looking the camera differently or the picture taken different position, different perspective, first of all this code is just aligning via on the DLIP. Also you need to download, which is, where is that, there is a that model here. Okay, yeah, by using DLIP is just making the alignment. So it's better giving an because if you give the picture like not aligned, then it will try to alignment. Maybe it's in some cases, in some phases alignment is not working perfectly as expected, and so it's for trying it's better to give an aligned image, so it will be better after aligning also. Then after it's done, it's basically just applying the model. And another thing, I'm gonna use CUDA, but it's required to use CUDA also, as in here is said like that. Yeah, this is prerequisite. So CUDA is CPU may be possible with some modification, but it's not inherently supported. So if you do not have CUDA, it's not gonna work well. But even like that, you can try this in the collab. Just choose the GPU in here, is already chosen here, so you can choose and you can give it a try in this here also. But in your local, I already have CUDA in my machine. Also there is the version in here, you see 12.2. but another things is this repository not really younger, it's old, but it's used in here. The CUDA version is where was the version, just CUDA. Okay, I think it's used 10 something like that, CUDA version. I remember like that in somewhere in here maybe. But okay, anyway, but I'm using 12.2, so it's working very fine in here. So even since this is 3 years ago repository, even 10 or above is gonna work fine. So this is my CUDA version, but also I need to show you which other packages I'm using before showing the results, because it's working already. So these are my packages, because if you have any conflict or any problems, any issues, just check my packages. The important packages are these CUDA packages, the versions, and the other is the just Torch version, which is the most important one. My Torch version is 1.13 and Torch Vision is 0.14. So just you can stop the video and check the packages if you have an issue, just to compare the why I have a conflict, just to check, because it's working with fine with these packages. Yeah, and another thing, I already just cloned the repository. Other thing you need to do is just downloading the model, which is in here, the pre-trained model. There is already a way also, is telling how to training, but I believe if I try, I cannot get the better result than here pre-trained model, because it's already perfect. Just download this. I already downloaded. After that, put the model inside the pre-trained model. And another thing you need to download is just landmark, which is for delip, for aligning. These two things you need to download, and the repository you need to download. After that, just giving the model path to the here, an image path you want to try, and also in the alignment function you need to give the delip model dot model, and after all is done, you can just run the code and it's gonna save the result, or you can manipulate the result after getting. I'm just simply saving into this folder. So just running this code, and that's gonna extract the data in a few seconds, because the taking time is loading the model. After it's done, you can try many times with CUDA. Also, it's really faster with CPU. I don't know, maybe it can take a couple of minutes according to your core number. Yeah. Also, by the way, CPU is not supported as it said, but for I don't know. Before I tried also this in a CPU machine, I think it was working. Also, it's not clear it's working or not. Okay. Anyway, this is the result. Let me make it bigger. This is the image I gave as input. This is I'm 10 years old, and here 20 maybe, like that, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like that. It's going, I don't know, the ages are, I think, incremental by 10 or 5, I don't know. But yeah, getting older. I think this is very cool and good to use. This is maybe you can think where to use this, because but there are already many applications, like in the app world they are using this, how to aging. People are interested, they are entering. So also just for getting an idea, is good to use. Maybe in the next videos we can try different implementations of the StyleGAN, because this is used in many areas. So I like the guns, and I would like this kind of trials, and I want to show you at the same time. For this video, simply I want to try this beautiful repository. As I said, the code is directly taken from here. Just I skipped the downloading things and other things. Yeah, I will put this link into the description. For any question you can write to the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.